Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of ExcelR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. The hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. ExcelR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with ExcelR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if ExcelR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with ExcelR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank ExcelR for being a part of it.
very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later from our college, I get to know about ExcelR and I enroll in ExcelR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he is doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge here.
Good evening, friends. Give the chat message. Good evening, friends. Can you please give the chat message? Friends, please give the chat message. Hello. At least say yes or no. Deepika Mallikarjunachari. No one willing to say something. Good evening, friends. At least say good evening. Durga Devi, Nikita, Ramya. No one ready, na? Anjana. Okay, fine. Leave it. Fine. Now, at least what we are discussing. At least can you tell that point of what we are discussing? Can we expect some response from you? What we are discussing? Anjana, Anjum, Fatima, Deepika, Mallikarjunachari, Manshi, Durga Devi. Is it possible to chat with me? What we are discussing? Anjana, unmute yourself. Anjana Sheshidharan, unmute yourself. Anjum, unmute yourself. Arshia, Deepika, Mallikarjunachari, please unmute. Which topic we are discussing? Now I hope sorting techniques are completed. All the 10 sorting techniques are completed. Only evaluation pending. Na? I hope only evaluation pending here. So can I share one question paper? Can you write the answers? Can I share one question paper? Will you prepare? I hope all the sorting techniques are finished. Yeah, can I share one question paper to you people? Will you write the answers? I given unmute permission to you. Please unmute. I hope all the sorting techniques and linked list and everything finished. Data structures are over now. Data structures are over. Can I get the question papers? Will you write the answers for the question papers? Maybe data structures are over. Sorting techniques also, all the 10 sorting techniques are over. Only the pending is the evaluation is the pending. Now I'm sharing the question paper to you. Please write it. All the sorting techniques are over. And the data structures also, everything is over. Only the thing is the the evaluation is the pending. Okay, no? Fine. Can I share the question paper to you? And every day, yesterday, we completed all the 10 sorting techniques. Yesterday itself only. Please write the answers for this one because no use now because no one responding. At least you people have the chat message, no? Like in the chat, you can say you can type in the chat box. At least out of these members, no one responding. Yeah, please go through the question paper. Please write the answers for the question paper. Because the sorting techniques also over now. All sorting techniques are completed yesterday. Syllabus also completed yesterday. No? Yeah. Can you please write the answers for this one? Yeah. Please write the answers for these questions because all sorting techniques are finished yesterday itself only, and syllabus also completed. At least, guys, I think you have the chat message. No? In the chat message, I hope you can type it like a hi, hello, something. You can type it. Chetan, is it possible to interact with me, Deepika? Oh my God, I got the one response. Yeah, Nisha, yeah. Like we got the response at least. Out of these members, one member will reply. Fine. Now, see the another thing. We need to see the one more thing. One more thing is the bubble sort. Let me have a look into the bubble sort. Guys, my kind request is the give the reply. Just open the chat box. Just open the chat box. In the chat box, give some reply. I think with your fingers, you can type the messages. Make the classes the smooth, friends. Make the classes are the smooth. Because we are spending some time. Fine. Sure, damn sure. I will explain the bubble sort and quick sort today. Damn sure I will ask the person name. Chetan Kumar, share the screen, explain the code. Deepika, share the screen, explain the code. If you are willing to explain, then be in the session. Otherwise, drop the session. If you're definitely damn sure, I will ask you people to share the screen. At least you are not willing to talk with us now. Damn sure, Durga Devi, Farhan, Farin, everyone. I will ask Anjana, I will ask you. I will explain the bubble sort code. I will give one assignment. You people, I will ask you, Arshia, share your screen, explain the logic. You should explain the logic. Otherwise, you drop the session. Fine. Now, let me go for the one sorting technique. Let me go for one sorting technique. We should be in a position we need to go to the sorting technique. So the sorting technique is the what's the sorting technique? Bubble sort. Bubble sort. In the bubble sort, compare the adjacent elements. In the bubble sort, we need to compare adjacent elements. Whatever the adjacent elements we have, that adjacent element. Whatever the adjacent elements we have, that adjacent element we need to compare it. So that is our target. And how? How we need to do that one? Observe this one. Here, 15, 16, 6, 8, 5. Assume here, these are the versional elements. Compare these two elements. I want you to compare these two elements, like a 15 and 16. If the order is correct, if the order is correct, no need to, if the order is correct, no need to exchange, no need to swap it. So what is the answer? Now the answer is the 15, 16, 15, 16, 6, 8, 5. Now, and compare these two elements. Compare these two elements. If order not correct, then we need to exchange now. Nisha, please answer. No one responding here. At least one or two members need to respond. Fine. If order is not correct, if order is not correct, now we need to exchange it. We should be in a position we need to exchange it. here. If the order is not correct, then we need to exchange it. Then we need to exchange it. How we can exchange? Tell me, friends, tell me, you need to tell. Answer, friends, you need to tell. 15? 15, tell me. 6? 15? 6? Answer. 15, 6? 16? 16? 8? 5? 5. Now tell me, which element we need to compare? Which element we need to compare? These elements we need to compare. No, exchange it. You need to exchange it. How you can exchange? 15, 6, 8, 8, 16, 5. Now, you need to compare these two elements also. You need to compare these two elements also. Fine. If not, you need to exchange. You need to swap it. How you can swap it? 15, 6, 15, 6, 8, 8, 5, 16. 16. Say this one. This one we can call pass one. Whatever we have, this one we can call the pass one. Whatever we have, then this one we can call the pass one. In the pass one, largest element will bubbled. So this is the sorted element. Whatever we have, this one we can call the sorted element here. In the pass one, here this is the pass one. In the pass one, largest element will be bubbled. Yes or not? Whatever the largest element we have, that largest element will be bubbled. Fine. Now go through the iteration 2. Tell me. Go through the iteration 2. Can you help me iteration 2? Answer, please answer. Can you tell the iteration 2? Compare what? Compare what? 15 with the 16. Compare what? 15 with the 16. If I compare, exchange will be happening now. Exchange will happening or not? Can you tell the exchange here? Can you tell the exchange here? 6, 6, 15, 6, 15. Next tell me. 6, 15. Next one, 8. Next one, 5. Next one, 16. 16. Now, compare which element? Compare which element? We need to compare one more element. So, which element we need to compare? These are two elements. We need to compare these two elements. So, exchange will happening or not? Exchange will happen or not? Exchange will happen here. How we need to perform the exchange here? How we need to perform the exchange here? 6. 6, tell me. 8. 6, 8. Next one is the 6, 8. Next one is the 15. 6, 8, 15. Next one is the 5. Next one is the 16. 16. Now tell me, which element we need to compare? Tell me, which element we need to compare? These are two elements we need to compare here. Fine. While comparing, we need to perform the exchange now. We should be in a position we need to perform the exchange. So if I perform the exchange, so what is the answer? What is the answer? Tell me. 8. Tell me, friends. 8, 6, 8, 5. Next one, 15. Next one is the 16. 16. Automatic exchange will happen here. Fine. Akanksha, Anjana, Chetan, what happened, Chetan? I think if I ask your name, I asked your Dhanusri, Deepak, asked your name around 100 times. Why you people are unable to talk with me? Why? What happened? I asked you people are names are around 100 times. At least why you people are not talking with us? Just for the attendance sake you are joining. Na? Fine. And another thing. And one more thing is see the another thing. Compare these two elements. Compare these two elements. Are any exchange should happen? No exchange. No exchange should happen here. So now the answer is what is the answer? 6, 6, 8, 5. Next one is the 15. Next one is the 16. So whatever the two elements we have, then these two elements are like bubbled elements. whatever the two elements we have, these two elements we can call bubbled elements. So then this pass, technically we can call whatever the pass we have, technically we can call pass 2. Whatever the pass we have, then this pass, technically we can call pass 2. The first one is the pass 1, the second one is the pass 2. Yes or not? And another thing. One more thing is the, see the another thing here. One more thing we need to see. And one more thing is the, observe this one here. Here we need to say the one more thing. No. Compare these two elements. Compare these two elements. Any exchange happening? Any exchange happening? Any exchange? No, no. Say this one. 6, 8, 5, 15, 16. Fine. Now compare these two elements. Compare these two elements. Any exchange happening? Any exchange happening? Yes. How? 6, 6, 5, 8, 15, 16. 15, 16. Now say this one. Compare these two things. Any exchange happening? Any exchange happening? Any swapping happening? No. So what is the answer? What is the answer? 6, 5, 8, 8 to tell me. 15, 15. Next one is the 16. 16. Now check this one. You need to compare these two elements. Any exchange happening? Any exchange happening? Tell me, any exchange? No exchange here. So answer is the, what is the answer here? Now we have the answer 6. 6, 5, next one, 8, 8, 15, next one is the 16. 15 and 16 here. So then after completing this one, whenever we completed, all the three elements will be, whatever the three elements we have, these three elements will be bubbled. Whatever the three elements we have, the three elements are bubbled. And another thing, this one we can call pass 3. Whatever we have, this one we can call, say this one. Whatever we have, this one we can call pass 3. Pass 3. In a pass 3, three elements will be bubbled. Whatever the three elements we have, that three elements will be bubbled. Yes, next one. And another thing. One more thing is the, no, go through the other thing. One more thing is the, say this one. Compare these two elements. Any exchange happening? Answer. Any exchange? Yes. Can I tell the exchange here? 5, 6, 8, 15, 16. Now compare these two elements. Compare these two elements. Answer. Any exchange happening here? No. 5, 6, 8, 15, 16. Now say this one. Or any exchange happening here? Or any exchange happening here? Tell me. Or any exchange? No exchange. Now tell me here. Tell me here. Here 5, 5, next one 6, 8, 15, next one 16. Now see this one here. Here compare these two elements. Fine. Are any exchange? Are any exchange? No. Tell the final result. Now 5, 6, 8, 8, next one 15, next one is the 16. Say this one. This is the pass 4. Whatever we have, then this one we can call the pass 4. Here whatever we have, then this one we can call the pass 4. Simply we can say pass 4 here. Whatever we have, these things we can call pass 4 here. Am I right or not? Pass 4 here. In the pass 4, how many elements will be bubbled? In a pass 4, how many elements will be bubbled? Around 4 elements will be bubbled. Whatever the 4 elements we have, that 4 elements will be bubbled. Say this one. In the pass 4, around 4 elements will be bubbled. SR nata. Fine. No need to sort. See this one. Coming to here. Coming to here. No need to sort the last element now. If all elements are sorted, answer please tell me. If all elements are sorted, by default, last element will be sorted or not? Hello? Are you people there now? If all elements are sorted, no need to sort the last element. No need to sort the last element here. Am I right or not? So now this is a simple technique which is related to bubble sort. Fine. Now see this one. Number of elements are, can you tell number of elements are what? Number of elements are 5. And how many passes are required? How many passes are required? Answer. How many passes are required here? How many passes are required? Passes are n minus 1. How many passes are required here? How many passes are required? N minus 1 here. Am I right or not? And another thing, how many comparisons are required? Comparisons also say this one. Comparison 1, comparison 2, comparison 3, and comparison 4. 4 comparisons. We need the 4 comparisons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Comparisons also n minus 1. Comparisons also n minus 1. Tell me here, comparisons also n minus 1. So how many passes are required? How many passes are required? Answer, friends. Answer. Please support me. Please support me because important. At least in the chat message say yes or no in the chat. I'm not expecting you people need to talk with me. At least in the chat message, please try to talk with me. Please try to with your fingers you can type it yes or no. Fine. Say this one. How many passes are required? How many passes are required? 4 passes. And how many comparisons are required? How many comparisons are required? 4 comparisons. So can I write the simple logic here? Yes. Let me write the simple logic. For, see this one. Int n equal to array dot length. Int n equal to what you wanted to place? Array dot length. Now, how to iterate it? For this loop for the passes. Pass 1, pass 2, pass 3, something. Tell me. Here. For answer, int I equal to 0. For int I equal to 0. I less than what? I less than n minus 1. Next one. Here, what you wanted to place? I plus plus. So this is for passes. Now, can I go for the one more loop? One more loop for comparison. Can I go for one more loop for the comparison? Yes. How we can take the one more loop here? Now say this one. Here, for int j equal to, for int j equal to 0, j less than n minus 1. J less than n minus 1 here. Next one is the j plus plus. Now one more thing we have, one more j plus plus here. So this is the one more loop here. This loop for comparison. Fine. Now check this one. We need to compare the elements na side by side element. We need to comparison na. We need to compare the side by side element. If ARR of j, if ARR of j greater than, if ARR of j greater than ARR of j plus 1. If ARR of j greater than ARR of j plus 1. J plus 1 here. So here what we need to do? Answer. Here what we need to do? We need to perform the exchange. We need to perform the exchange. How we can perform? Temp equal to ARR of j. And ARR of j equal to, say this one, exchange. We need to perform the exchange here. ARR of j. ARR of j equal to ARR of j equal to ARR of j equal to ARR of j plus 1. ARR of j plus 1 here. Next one. ARR of j plus 1 equal to ARR of j plus 1 equal to j plus 1 equal to, we should be in a position, we need to pass the temp. And here we need to close it. We need to close the like this if condition, and we need to close the if condition, and we need to close the inner for loop. We need to close the inner for loop. Comparison for loop we need to close. We should be in a position, we need to close the comparison for loop, and we should be in a position, we need to close the outer for loop also. Whatever the outer for loop we have, that outer for loop also we need to close again. Guys, why outer for loop? Answer at least to chat with me. Why outer for loop? Why outer for loop? Outer for loop for number of passes. And why inner for loop? And why inner for loop comparison? If side by side elements are not in a correct order, if side by side elements if not in correct order, we need to swap it now. We need to swap it. So that is the logic we're written here. Fine. Now, can I go through the, now observe this one. Can I go through the optimization code? Can I go through the optimization code? Answer friends. Please answer friends. Can I go through the optimization code? Let me go for the optimization code. Friends, please reply friends. I'm requesting you please reply. I'm requesting you please reply say yes or no optimization code again. Now see this one. Here we know already this element is the largest element. Am I right or not? This element is the largest element. Am I right or not? Fine. If it is the largest element, is this comparison required? Is this comparison required? No, no, no. See this one. We know these two elements are the large elements. These two elements are large elements. If these elements are the large elements, if these elements are the large elements here, is it mandatory to compare like this? Is it mandatory to compare like this? Answer, is it mandatory to compare like this? Tell me friends. No, no. Is it mandatory to compare like this? Is it mandatory to compare like this? Not required now. Unnecessary comparisons are there now. Unnecessary comparisons are there. Am I right or not? Here also, we need to go through the unnecessary comparison now. We have the unnecessary comparisons are there or not? Unnecessary comparisons are there. Am I right or not? See this one. While increasing the I value, see this one. Pass 1, pass 2, pass 3, pass 4. While increasing the I value, number of comparisons should decrease or not? Number of comparisons should decrease or not? Say yes or no. While increasing the number of passes. While increasing the number of passes, see this one. Here, 1 unnecessary comparison. Here, 2 unnecessary comparisons. And here, 3 unnecessary comparison. While increasing the I value, we should decrease unnecessary comparisons. Am I right or not? How? How we can decrease the one? Simple logic, not great one here. N minus 1 minus I. Just add this one. Here simply I need to add it. Instead of this one, we need to do plus. Instead of this one, we need to do plus. J less than N minus 1 minus I. J less than N minus 1 minus I. So through this code, we can decrease unnecessary logics, unnecessary comparisons. So these things we need to do place. So guys, what we need to do place? Guys, respond here. What we need to do place? J less than N minus 1 minus I. This logic we need to do place. Yeah. And one more thing. Sometimes maybe with the pass 1 or pass 2, maybe in the pass 1, pass 2 elements are sorted. Maybe in the pass 1 or pass 2 elements will be sorted. But through this code, definitely it will go to the pass 1, pass 2, pass 3, pass 4 or not? Answer friends. Yes or not? It will go through the pass 1, pass 2. I think even though elements are sorted. So the passes are running or not? The passes are running. Can I stop the passes also? Yes. How we can stop? Here say this one. Let me take the one Boolean flag value. Boolean flag equal to Otherwise, just take the int value, not an issue. Enter boolean anything. Here say this one. Boolean flag equal to I need to pass the false. See this one. If exchange happening, if exchange like if swapping happening, flag equal to what? True. Guys, got the clarity na? Got the clarity na? Please answer. Got the clarity na? You people got the clarity here. Now say this one. If exchange happening, what's the boolean value? If exchange happening, what is the boolean value? True. Fine. See this one. For example, here after the inner for loop, if flag equal to false, guys, what is the meaning? What is the meaning? No exchange na. No exchange in the sense, no need to go for other loops na, other passes na. Simply can I go for the break? Simply we can go for the break. Yeah, guys, you people need to note on the logic. Please take the pen and paper, note down the logic, and I'm expecting trace out of this code with the help of this array. I will ask a person name. I will ask Akanksha. I will ask Ajit. I will ask Chetan. I will ask Chinmay. You people need to share the screen. You people need to explain the code. Otherwise, drop the call. Not an issue. If you are not ready to participate with the session, drop the call. Not an issue. I will ask your name. Otherwise, simply we will remove it. Simply we will remove it. No need to worry. Fine. Now, say this one. Please write the logic. Please note down the logic. Please note down the logic and trace out the classic. Trace out the classic with the help of pen and paper. And you need to explain for the first iteration what is happening, for the second iteration what is happening, for the third iteration what is happening. Then you people need to explain. Fine. Do that one. Do this one, friends. Please take the pen and paper. Please take the pen and paper. First of all, note down this logic. Apply this logic on this array. Apply this logic on this array. Fine. I'm giving the instructions again. Akanksha, Ajit, Anjali, Aradhana, Arya. I will ask your names. You people need to explain. Otherwise, I'll drop the session. No need to worry. We are not bothered about it. Note down the logic, friends. Note down the logic and trace out it. Just 10 minutes, friends. Don't take the much time. Are anyone ready with the explanation? Anjana, are you ready to give the explanation? Anjana, unmute Anjana. Anjana, please unmute. Anjana Sesitharan, please unmute. Mr. Chetan Kumar, unmute. Mr. Chetan Kumar, unmute. Akanksha, Ajit Kumar, Deepak, Mallikarjunachari, please unmute. Please unmute. Harini.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can you explain this code?
Yes, sir.
Please explain this code. Can you share your screen?
Yes, sir. I can share. I can also write a code. Can I display or?
Yeah, I'm expecting what's the flow of this one? If I equal to 0, what's the behavior? That is the thing I'm expecting.
Okay, sir.
Okay, can you do that one?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain, like, if possible, please explain this one.
Yes, sir. Can I explain here or and sharing screen?
Yeah, can you share your screen?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am not able to share. Can you give me permission?
Not an issue. Explain here. Otherwise, take the screenshot to me. Take the screenshot to me, then I will share that screenshot.
What, sir?
Share the screenshot to me. Screenshot. Code screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Can you please explain what are the code we have? Okay, I shared that code. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. First of all, what is taken? First, it takes what is the size of array. Then we need to iteration. We need to iterate on array. That times we have to pass one by one. Then it checks. Then we need to create passes. Then as per the rule, bubble sort needs n minus one passes. Because of that, first we need to iterate and apply conditions I is less than n minus 1. Then we need to then uh, we need to compare between the first first element and the next element which is greater. If the
Right, that's
first
fine.
if the
So
first is if the first element is greater than next element, then we need to swap between them. And end of the and end the n of the length in the first in the every pass at the end moment we get the sorted element. That-
Okay, fine. Next one, I think how to optimize the code. We need to optimize the code. N minus 1
one.
minus I. J less
Yes,
than
sir.
N minus I minus 1. And another thing, inside the inner for loop, outer for loop, take the one boolean value. If exchange happened, then flag equal to true. Yes or not? If a flag equal to false, no exchange happened. Am I
Yes,
right
sir.
or not? Fine.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
team, if you don't mind, can I execute the code? At least, I'm not asking anything. At least to say yes or no. Hamalata? Yeah, at least only 2 to 3 members are responding. Remaining people not at all responding. Not at all responding. Remaining people. Fine. Now observe this one. Here, I equal to 0. I less than n minus 1. I plus plus. Here, swapped equal to false. Boolean swapped equal to what? Boolean swapped equal to. Boolean swapped equal to internally false. Next one. Here, say this one. N minus I minus 1. Swapped equal to true. If swapped equal to true, if swapped equal to true, what we need to replace? What we need to replace? Here is the false. So, can I go through our own standard? Let me go through our own standard. Online editor we need to open. Online editor we need to open. Java online compiler. Fine. No, here. Tell me here. You people need to tell. Answer, friends. Can I create one display method? Can I create one display method? Answer. Yes. How we can create public wide display. Here we need to pass into array ARR. Fun. How to display? For how to display for anyone for int element colon error, and here println of what? Println of what element. Here we need to go through the println. Here go through the another thing. Take one array. Guys, how can we take one array? Guys, how can we take one array? Can you people talk with me? How can we take one array? Int array equal to, take something here, 5 comma 1 comma 5 comma 2 comma 4 comma 3, and call the display method. Say this one here, println. Here say this one, println before sorting display function. Check it whether it's working or not. It's a static method. What happened? Where? No, you need to pass the array now. You people need to pass the array. Yes. So this is before sorting. Fine. Guys, so do you people need any explanation here? Do you people need any explanation here? Answer, friends. Do you people need any explanation here? Say yes or no, friends, at least yes or no. Fine. See this one. I'm taking whatever the array we have, that array directly stored here. That array I'm iterating and I'm displaying. That array I'm iterating and I'm displaying here. So that is the thing. And another thing, please go through the other thing here. And one more thing is the, see the another thing. And here call one more function. Bubble sort function. Bubble sort of array. Bubble sort of array here. Simply we need to call the bubble sort of array. And call the display function again. Now after sorting. Now how to create bubble sort function? Guys, will you people tell me how to call the bubble sort function? Tell me, friends, how to call the bubble sort function. I'm expecting answer from you. How to create the bubble sort function? Hello. How to create a public static wide bubble sorter. Bubble sorter. Here we need to pass into array ARR. How to find number of elements? How to find number of elements? Will you people tell me how to find the number of elements? Will you people tell me how to find the number of elements? No. How to find number of elements? Int n equal to int n into array dot what? Length. Array dot length. Automatically we are able to find number of elements. Next one, Mr. Lankala Kalyan Jagadish. Please mute yourself. Otherwise, if you wanted to support me, support the coding. Please mute yourself. Otherwise, if you wanted to support the code, please support the code. Fine. And another thing. And one more thing is the after completing this one, now go through the loop. You people need to go through the loop. Can you help me loop? Can you help me loop? Loop friends. For this loop for what? Passes na? This loop for passes. Number of passes. Number of passes. How we can take? Tell me friends, how we can take it? For int I equal to I equal to 0 na? For int I equal to 0 here. Int I equal to 0, number of passes. I less than what? N minus 1 na? Answer 4 we need the 4 iteration na? We need 4 iterations, so n minus 1. Next one is the I plus plus. Fine. Sir, here let me take one of Boolean value also. Boolean flag, nothing. Fine. Here and one more thing. And here one more thing is the flag equal to initially false. Flag equal to initially false. Now take the inner loop. Inner loop for what? Inner loop for what? Comparison purpose. How we can comparison? Int j equal to 0. J less than n minus 1 minus I. Next one, j plus plus. Compare it. How we can compare? How we can compare? Compare. Compare. How we can compare? How we can compare your answer? If ARR of j greater than ARR of j plus 1 and swap it. We need to swap. Guys, tell me how to swap it. Tell me how to swap it. I'm expecting you. We people need to swap it. How we can swap? Temp equal to int into temp equal to ARR of j and ARR of j equal to ARR of j plus 1. ARR of j plus 1 and ARR of j plus 1 equal to ARR of j plus 1 equal to temp. So if swapping happening, flag equal to if swapping happening, flag equal to what? Flag equal to true. Simply we need to pass flag equal to true here. Yes sir, Nata. And one more thing is the after the inner for loop. After the inner for loop, check the flag value. If of not flag, simply we need to break it. We should be in a position, we need to break it. Say this one. This is before sorting and this is after sorting. Bubble sort technique. Fine. Yeah, guys, let me share the code to you. Then you people need to take the 5 to 10 minutes of time. Then you people need to execute it. Fine. Do it fast. Send the code also. Fine. Do it fast. I'm requesting you people do it faster. Do it fast, friends. Do it fast, friends. Just 10 minutes, guys. So don't take the hours and hours. Never take the hours and hours. Akanksha, is it possible to expect the response from you? Ajit Kumar, can we expect the response from you? Anjali, Anjana, Aradhana, can I expect the response from you? Are you people will execute this code? Chetan Kumar, can we expect the response from you people? Deepika, Dhanusri, Dr. Mansi, Shanishwara, Harini, can I expect the response? At least in the chat message. At least in the chat message, can I expect the response from you people? In the chat message. Okay, fine. Leave it. Fine. Continue that one, guys. Please do this one. Then I need you to go through the quick sort code.
తెలంగాణలోని సంగారెడ్డి జిల్లా
Are you people finished? Are you people finished? You are sharing my screenshot, no? Who shared this one? You are sharing my screenshot to me. Deepika, you are sharing my screenshot to me. Deepika, this is my screen. Deepika, this is my screen code. You are sharing my code to me. Next. Guys, can I go through the quick sort code? Can I go through the quick sort code? Anyone? Akanksha, Ajit Kumar, if possible, say yes or no. If possible, say yes or no. Otherwise, leave it. Fine. Quick sort code. How we need to work with the quick sort. How we people need to work with the quick sort. Can I erase this one? Can I erase this one? Answer. Can I erase this one? Yes, let me erase it. Fine. Here. Let me take some array elements. I wanted to take some array elements like 1, Anything choices yours. Let me take some array elements. Okay. Say this one. Here, I wanted to take one array. 1, 5, 2, 4, 3. Yes or not? 1, assume this one. I need to take 1, 2, 5, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3. Fine. Choose any element as the key element. I wanted to choose any element as the key element. Let me take last element is the pivot element. Let me take last element is the pivot element or key element. Pivot element or key element. Now, how we can take it here? No, say this one. 3. Now, this 3 is nothing but the whatever the 3 we have here. Whatever the 3 we have, then this 3 we can call pivot element. Then this 3 we can call pivot element or key element. Fine. All lesser elements left side. All lesser elements left side. All higher elements on right side. Fine. Guys, can you tell the fund of this one? All lesser elements left side and all higher elements on the right side. So that is the logic. So say this one. 1. Can you help me one here? Can you help me one here? Left or right? 1 is the left. And can you tell 5? Can you tell the 5 here? Answer. Can you tell the 5 here? Tell me, friends. 5 on the right side now. Leave it. 2. What about the 2? 2 friends. 2. What about the 2? Left side now? 2 will be the left side. Yes or not? And coming to the right side. Right side, which elements will come to the picture? Right side, which elements will come to the picture? 5 will come here. Next one is the 4 will come here. 5 will come here. Next one is the 4 will come here. Am I right or not? So, bypass 1. Bypass 1. This is the arena. Bypass 1. This is the arena. This is the array here. Now, what is the array we have? 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. Who is the pivot element? Who is the pivot element? Reply, friends. Who is the pivot element? 3. 3 is the pivot element. Now, apply. Don't to touch pivot element. Never touch the pivot element. Apply same funda to left side. See this one. Take 2. Take the 2 as the pivot element now. Here itself. Take 2 as what? 2 as the pivot element. We need to take the 2 as the pivot element. Fine. All lesser elements on left side, all higher elements on right side. So which one is the lesser element? 1. 1. So we need not to sort what? 3. We need not to sort what? 2. Because pivot elements no need to sort. If you check the diagram also, pivot elements are in sorted order. Fine. Left side, how many elements we have? Only one element. Na? One element, no need to sort it. So left side ready. Fine. Apply the same funda to right side also. Make this element. Make this element is the pivot element. Pivot element. So let me make this element is the pivot element here. Fine. All higher elements right side. Say this one here. Yes or not? So this is the pivot element now. This is the pivot element. Pivot element in the sense no need to sort it. No need to sort it here. Now see this one here. Only one element. One element in the sense this one element also no need to sort it. Fine. At the end, what is the output we are able to see? At the end, what is the output we are able to see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Array is sorted or not? Array is sorted or not? Tell me. array is sorted or not? Array is sorted here. Am I right or not? Fine. Now I'm expecting the answer from you people. I'm expecting the answer from you people. I will give one of the big array. 1, 10, 9, 2, 9, 3, 7, 4, 6, 6, 5. 6. Which element is missing? 8 na? Which element is missing? 8 is missing na? 8 is missing. Now apply the funda, apply the quick sort, apply the quick sort. I'm requesting you people who joined for the attendance quiz. Someone join now for the attendance purpose. Fine. Deepak, take the pen and paper and do the quick sort. Do the quick sort. Just to take the 10 minutes of time. 10 minutes of time, you people need to do the quick sort. Do it fast, guys. So you people, whoever completed, share the screenshot to me. Share the screenshot to me. Based on the screenshot, then we need to analyze it. Just 10 minutes, guys. So don't take the much time. Anything pivot value, you can take anything. It's recommended to take the last element, or it's recommended to take the first element. It's recommended to take the last element, not an issue. Any pivot element we can consider, not an issue. Do it faster. Completed. Anyone finished? Nisha, unmute Nisha. Can you please explain this one? Nisha Nagarasu, unmute yourself. Please explain this one. Unmute. Please explain the logic. What are the logic you written? Nisha Nagarasu, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, I took 8 as a key element. I compared 8 with 1. 1 is less than 8. It moves to the right. Oh, no, left. And 8 is compared with 10. It is greater than 8. It moves to the right. 8 is 8 is compared with 2. 2 is less than 8. Move to the left. 8 is compared with 9. It is greater than 8. Move to the right. 8 is compared with 9. 9 is greater than 8. It is moved to the right. 8 is compared with the 3. 3 is less than 8. It is moved to the left. 8 is compared with 7. 7 is less than 8. Left, sir. 8 is less than 4. 4 is less than 8. Left side. 6 is less than 8. Left. And 8 is less than 8 is greater than 5, 5, so it moved to the left side, sir. And I took 9 as a key element. I compare 9 with other elements. 9 greater than 9 compared with 1. 1 is less than 9. Move to the left. 9 compared with 2. 2 is less than 9. Left side. 9 is compared with 3. 3 is less than 9. It moves to the
Ask,
right side.
maintain the nice. Ask your request your family members like getting information. Go ahead.
9 is compared with 7. 7 is less than 9. It moves to the left. 9 is compared with 4. 4 is less than 9. So it moved to the left. 9 is compared with 6. 6 is less than 9. Move to the left. And 9 is compared with 5. It moves to the left side, sir.
Okay, done.
Okay. Key element. I took key element 7, sir.
7.
Okay.
Go
Yes,
ahead.
sir. 7, I compare 7 with 1. 1 is less than 7. Move to the left. 2 is less than 7. Move to the left. 3 is less than 7. Move to the left. 4 is less than 7. Move to the left. 6 is less than 7. Move to the left. 5 is less than 7. Move to the left. And 8 is greater than 7. Move to the right. Is 9 is greater than 7. Move to the right. And 10 is greater than 7. Move to the right. And I took 6 as a pivot element. I compared 6 with 1. 1 is less than 6. Move to the left. Compare 2 with 6. 2 is less than 6. Move to the left. 3 is less than 6. Move to the left. 4 is less than 6. Move to the left. 5 is less than 6. Move to the left. 6 is compared with 7. 7 is 6. 7 is greater than 6. Move to the right. 6 is compared with 8. 8 is greater than 6. Move to the right. 6 is compared with the 9. 9 is greater than 6. Move to the right. 6 is compared with the 10. 10 is greater than 6. Move to the right. And the sorted array is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Exactly. Fine. And pivot elements no need to compare, just add that point, it's fine. Now let me share the screen. Can I go through the coding here? Let me go through the coding. We should be in a position we need to go through the coding. Already I done the coding here. Anyhow, I will explain, then you people need to trace out that code. Fine. Now observe this one. Let me go through the coding. We need to identify that indexing. Say this one. We should be in a position, we need to identify the indexing. Indexing we need to identify. How we can identify the indexing? Yeah, see this one. You people need to see this one. Is it a array? Respond, friend. Is it a array? Can you help me? Say yes or no. Yes or no is enough. I'm not expecting more than that one. Only for the attendance check people, at least just say yes or no. For the casual also say yes or no. Attendance purpose, some people they joined. Say this one. This is the array. This is the array here. Yes or not? This array we pass it to which function? Quick sort. And we passed what? 0. And we passed what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 1. Fine. Fine. Now say this one. Coming to the quick sort. This is the array. This array stored here. What is the low value? What is the low value? 0. And what is the high value? And what is the high value? 5. Array is the sum array, low equal to 0 and high equal to 0. Say this one. 0 less than 5. True. And calling which function? Partition function, like a dividing function. So array 0, high is the 5, high is the 5. Now our picture will come here. Now our picture will come here. Try to say this one. Now assume this one. Now you people need to tell. Here we have the arena. Tell me friends, at least to try to tell me. Now we have the arena. Now we have the array here. We have the array here. Check this one. Need to say this one. What is the ARR here? What is the ARR here? Answer. What is the ARR here? Can you please answer? Tell me, anyone knows that one? What is the ARR here? This is the ARR now. Answer. This is the ARR now. ARR equal to something here. And what is the low value? Low equal to 0. And what is the high value? High value equal to 5. High value equal to what? 5. Say yes or no. Please try to say yes or no. Fine. Now can you tell what is ARR? 10, 7, 8, 9, 1, 5. What is the low value? Low value is 0. What is the high value? High value. It's just nothing but the like a partition. I need key. I need pivot element is there na? Responder. We have the pivot element na? We have the pivot element. Pivot element left side, pivot element right side. To find out it, then this is the method we have here. Fine. Now tell me, can you tell what is the pivot element here? Can you tell what is pivot element here? Pivot ARR of high. High means fine. Chart with me, friends. Chart with me, because without your cooperation, I can't complete this classical. Pivot value equal to 5. We should be in a position. We need to pass the pivot. Pivot equal to, we should be in a position. We need to pass the 5. Pivot equal to, we should be in a position. Here say this one. What is pivot element? What is pivot element? Pivot equal to, anyone? Can anyone tell me pivot equal to what? Pivot equal to 5. Yes or not? Array equal to what? Array equal to what? 10, 7, 8, 9, 1, 5. Low equal to what? Low equal to 0. High equal to what? High equal to 5. What is pivot element? What is pivot element? No one. What is pivot element? Pivot element equal to 5. Pivot equal to array of high. Array of 5 in the sense pivot equal to 5. Next one. Say this one. What is I value? What is I value? What is the low value? What is the low value? Low. What is the low value? 0. 0 minus 1. What is the answer? Minus 1. I equal to minus 1 here. Now go through the loop here. Yeah, say this one. All smaller elements left side of pivot. All higher elements right side of a pivot. Am I right or not? How we need to handle? Check this one. J equal to -1. J equal to 0. Am I right or not? J equal to 0. 0 less than 5. True or false? Please say I'm talking about the line number 12. J equal to 0. J equal to 0. J less than 5. True or false? True. Say this one. ARR of 0. ARR of 0 means what? 10. 10 less than or equal to 10 less than or equal to pivot. 10 less than or equal to pivot. Answer 10 less than or equal to pivot. True or false? 10 less than or equal to pivot. False. False in the sense if condition won't execute. J plus plus 1 1 less than 5. True. ARR of 1 7 less than or equal to 5. False. Next, say this one. J equal to 2. J equal to 2. Tell me. J equal to 2. ARR of 2. ARR of 2. 8. 8 or not? 8 less than or equal to 8 less than or equal to 5. Answer 8 less than or equal to 5. Answer false. False in the sense the code never execute. And J equal to what? J equal to 3. 3. Say this one. J equal to 3 here. 3 less than 5. 3 less than 5. True or false? True. True or false? Answer is the true. Say this one. ARR of 3. 9. 9 less than or equal to 9 less than or equal to 5. False. False na? False in the sense it won't execute. J equal to 4. J equal to 4. Answer. J equal to 4. Here 4 less than 5. Answer friends 4 less than 5. Answer friends 4 less than 5. True. Next one. ARR of 4. Who is the ARR of 4? 1. 1 less than or equal to 1 less than or equal to 5. True na? True. True in the sense I plus plus. What is I plus plus? -1 converted to 0. Yes or not? Now I value. Whatever the I value we have here, that I value converted to 0 here. Yes or not? And another thing. Here which value I'm exchanging? Which value I'm exchanging here? I'm exchanging the, say this one, temp contain what? Temp contain what? Answer. Temp contain what? Temp contain ARR of 0. What is ARR of 0? 10. And in a ARR of 0th position, in a ARR of 0th position, 4th element. So 4 is there na? 4 and 10. See this one. ARR of 1 position. What's the ARR of 1 position? I and the I0 na ARR of 0th position. ARR of 0th position, which element? ARR of 4th element. So 1. So 1 will come here. Whatever the 1 we have, that 1 will come here. And in the jth position, in the sense what? In first position, which element we have here? Which element we have here? We have one element here. The element is the 10 here. We have one element, then that element we can call the 10 here, and close it and close that one. And J plus plus 5 less than 5, false. False in the sense it will exit here. Now say this one. And one more thing, guys, higher elements will move to the right side now. Higher elements will move to the right side here. Fine. Yeah, guys, I'm requesting you people. Guys, I'm requesting you people. You people need to trace out the code. Guys, I'm requesting you people. I'm requesting you people. You people need to trace out the code here. Say this one, guys. This code is used for partition logic. This code is used for partition logic here. And this code is used for quick sort code. Quick sort code here. Fine. Now I'm sharing this one. I'm sharing this logic to you people. Now trace it out. 2 minutes, guys. Once again here. Not private, then take the public, not an issue. Take the public, not an issue. You can take the public, not an issue. So this is the logic we have. And another thing. And this is the quicksort logic. This is the quicksort logic. Then make it a public. Public. No. And this is the calling. See this one, this is a sorted array here. Fine. Now take the last 20 minutes of time. I'm expecting you people need to trace out this code. You people need to trace out this code. And recursion, like call the quicksort. Call the quicksort low to PA minus 1, PA plus 1 to high. You people need to do that one. First half you need to do that one. Second half you people need to do that one. Yeah, guys, so take the pen and paper. Take the pen and paper. Then you people need to sort out it. Go ahead, friends. Go ahead, everyone need to sort out this one. Otherwise, please note down this code with the pen and paper. Please note down this code with the pen and paper, guys. Pen and paper, I need the output. I will call your name also. I will call your name. Through your name, you people need to tell it. Pick up. Last 20 minutes, I will ask you people need to sort out this code. How the code will work internally. Last 15 20 minutes, so you people need to do it. Do it fast. You do it, friends. You people need to do it. Don't ignore, trace out the code. I need the tracing of the code. code? Does anyone tracing the code? Please give the reply. Hello, does anyone tracing the code? Please give the reply. Does anyone tracing the code? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Nisha Nagaraj, are you tracing the code? Are you people tracing the code? I need the flow of this code. In the interview, they won't ask the output. They never ask the output. They will give pen and paper to you and explain the logic. And they will ask you explain the logic. Remember that point. Can anyone tell what is I plus 1? By the end of tracing of this code, what is I plus 1? Can anyone talk with me? Nisha Nagaraj, are you tracing the code? Attendance people completed now? Afrain, Uma Maheshwari, Harika. Yeah, please trace it. I will wait. I will wait here. Please trace it. Trace it. Finally, tell me what is I plus 1. If not getting, let me know, then I will trace the code. If not getting, let me know, then I will trace the code. Nisha Nagaraj, are you tracing the code? Reply, friends. Please reply. Yes. While tracing the code, let me know what is I plus 1 value. Can anyone tell what is the I plus 1 value? Can anyone tell what is the I plus value? I plus 1 value. Anyone? Are anyone tracing the code? That I plus 1 store to the PA. and we need to call the recursive like quick sort array comma low comma pa minus 1. Next array comma, I think left side I need to sort it and right side I need to sort it. Once again we will get what? Pa value. We find array of high equal to 5. Chetan, can you unmute where you find ARR of high equal to 5? I'm expecting only number. Here we are expecting only number. Return I plus 1. What is the number? I'm expecting only number. Chetan, I'm expecting only number like I plus 1. What is I plus 1 I'm expecting? That I plus 1 store to the PI. What is I plus 1 value? Do I need to help? Do you people need any help regarding the tracing of this code? Please let me know. If you need help, then I will trace this code. Just 5 to 10 minutes. Just 5 to 10 minutes. Can I trace the code? I'm expecting the answer from you. If not, then let me know. Then I will trace the code. Let me trace the code. Fine. Please tell me. Guys, at least I need the value from you people. I need the value. So fine. Tell me. What is ARR value? Answer. Quick answer, guys. What is ARR value? What is ARR value? Please answer. What is the ARR value? 10, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 1, 5. So this is the ARR value. And tell me, what is a pivot value? What is a
5, sir.
pivot value? Respond. What is pivot value?
5.
Sure, na? Pivot value is the 5 because you are saying ARR of high. And what is I value? Answer. What is I value?
-1.
I equal to because low is the 0. So low minus 1 in the sense what?
-1.
Minus 1. Minus 1. So this is fine. Next one. Check the condition. J equal to 0. 0 less than 5.
True.
True. ARR J value is what? J value is the 0 na?
Yes, sir.
0. ARR of 0 less than or equal to pivot. ARR of 0 means what?
10.
10. 10 less than or equal to 5.
False.
False. J value 1. 7 less than or equal to 5.
False.
See this one. Now 8 less than or equal to 5.
False.
Next one. 9 less than or equal to 5.
False.
And next one. Which one? J value 4 na?
Yes, sir.
4. ARR of 4 means what? 0,
1.
2, 3, 1 na? 0, 1, 2,
Yes, sir.
1. 1 less than or equal to 5. 1 less than or equal to
True.
answer 1 less than or equal to 5. True. 1 less than or equal to 5. Answer is the true. Answer is the true here. I think we can't open this one. Now, answer is the what? What is the answer? Answer is the true. True in the sense. Tell me here. True in the sense. True in the sense. Like I value converted to
0.
I value converted to 0. Now coming to the I value. I value converted to 0 here. Now fresh I equal to 0 here. Next one. Which value will exchange? Which value will exchange? 0 and 4. 0 and 4 will exchange or not?
Yes, sir.
0 and 4 will exchange. After exchange, what is the output we are getting?
1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5.
1, 7, 8,
8, 9, 10, 5.
10, 5. So after exchange, we are getting that. So J plus plus 5. Yes or not? 5 less
Yes,
than
sir.
5. 5 less than 5.
5 less than
False.
5.
At the end
False.
is the J value 5. So false in the sense the loop will exit. And another thing is the now say this one again. And another thing, all the values we need to move to right side, na? Right side. So
Yes, sir.
which value will exchange? I plus 1 with the high. What is I plus 1? What is
7.
I plus 1? What is I value? 0.
0.
So which value? 1 with the exchange with what? ARR.
7.
What is high contain? High contain what? High contain the 5 na?
5. Yes, sir.
So 1 value replace with the 5. 1 value replace with the 5 here. Yeah. Can you tell after replacing what's the answer? 10. 10. Tell me. 1 value replace
8.
with the high.
5.
5 na? 5.
5.
8.
9.
9.
7.
No.
1, 7.
1 comma 7.
7.
I value contain what? I value contain what? 1 or not?
Yes,
No.
sir.
While
0,
exchanging
0.
0. 0 plus 1.
1.
So this is
High.
0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 store to where? PA value.
Yes, sir.
PA value. So I hope guys, once again, same code will execute recursive method. Recursive method here once again 0. Next one is the 0. Next one, these things will be there. So guys, You people need to trace out, no need to worry here. In the tomorrow session, if you people are unable to do that one, if you people are unable to trace out here, then in the tomorrow session, at the beginning of the session, I will trace out the code here. I will trace out the code, then I will explain. Guys, learn it. Learn the sorting techniques. Learn the sorting techniques, because if you sorting techniques are mandatory here. Sorting techniques are mandatory here, so it's recommended. It's recommended to learn the sorting techniques. Otherwise, it's difficult to you people here. Okay, now?
So send the code, sir.
Already sent. Now wait here. Just 2 minutes, guys. I'm sharing the code to you. Yeah, 2 minutes, Susmita. Just 2 minutes. Guys, I sent the code. Can you please download? Can you please download the code? Guys, I sent the code. Please download the code. Once you download it, you can drop it up. And tomorrow at the beginning of this session, then I will explain the quick sort with the slow explanation something here, then you can get it. And apart from that one, and if any other techniques or the medges or some techniques are there, then that medges are other sorting techniques I will explain the tomorrow session. Download it, guys, so don't forget it, because very simple logic I'm writing here. I'm not writing any complicated logic, very simple logic. Download in a code, download in a all the people. Once again, you don't have any backup.
Yes,
You
sir. Downloaded, sir.
you don't have any backup, because simple logic, very simple logic are written here. Then it's recommended to download. It will be helpful in the interview panel. It will be helpful in the like while cracking the interview or your academics also. It will helpful here. Fine. Yeah. So Smita, you can wind up the session.
Yeah, yes, sir. Thank you. So, students, we are done for the day. I'm winding up for the day. So, we'll meet again by tomorrow. Kindly join at 7 p.m. Sir will continue from tomorrow at 7 p.m. So, student, inform your friends as well. Like they are joining at 8:30. Just for an attendance sake, they are joining for the session. So, like, we are going to change the timings. If you people do this, we are going to change the timings of sending the attendance link. So just join for the knowledge purpose. Don't join for the attendance purpose. Okay. So, fine. We'll meet up by tomorrow at 7 p.m. Thank you, sir. Thank you, students. Good night.